So today's video is, the idea I'm sharing is get in the best shape of your life. And there are 7 ideas that I was inspired by from Sal from Mind Pump. And the first one is use your social media and digital content to inspire you. Inspiration keeps you going when motivation ceases to be. So that's a powerful one. Choose food for satiety, helping you eat less and nourish your body. Strength train with a plan in mind to build your muscle and boost your metabolism. That's an important one for health, fitness, and longevity for sure. Take 3 short walks a day, absolutely no distractions. That boosts your mood and it clears your mind to keep you going for the day. Have a water goal and stick to it. And that's essential for your overall health and energy. And water is so important, and many say they don't like the taste. One of the things that's important is that you teach yourself to enjoy fresh, clean water. It's the best. Focus on how your meals make you feel and not how your meals make you look. And that one change is so important. You know, we're not supposed to eat food and be exhausted within 30 minutes to an hour. And if you simply started noticing how you felt within an hour of eating, you would change how you feel overall. Very important. Go to bed and wake up at the same time. Get into the habit and the discipline. Getting to bed at 10:30 or earlier, and then waking up at the same time, 7 to 8 hours for most people. That helps with improved recovery and overall well-being and longevity. So there are the 7 ideas. Again, that's inspired by Sal at Mind Pump, but I'd love to hear from you. Are you using any of those ideas to get into the best shape of your life? Share your comments below. Subscribe to our channel, please. And join our newsletter, Health and Fitness and Longevity. The link will be in the notes. Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Enjoy.